Previous session, we studied about comparing like fractions. In our today's lecture, we are going to study how to add and subtract like fractions. So let's start. First, we'll start with addition of like fractions. Here we have a strip with 7 equal parts, and from this 7 parts, these 3 parts are colored differently and these 2 parts are colored differently. So, these 3 parts will be written as per the fraction as 3 upon 7, and these 2 parts will be written as 2 upon 7. So, we see that these 2 fractions are like fractions, and according to today's point, we have to add them. So, we will write the fraction as 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. Now, here, since the denominators are equal, that is 7, we are going to keep 7 as it is. Means we will add only the numerators and keep the denominator as it is. So, the fractions will be 3 plus 2 upon 7. Here, the obtained value will be 5 upon 7. After getting the value 5 upon 7, we observe the numerator 5, and observing the strip, there are total 5 parts colored. So, our value or obtained fraction is correct. We'll take another example. We have a rectangle with 8 equal parts. Here we have 8 equal parts with different categorization of each part. Like these 3 parts are different, this one part is different, and these 2 parts are different. In this rectangle, according to the categorization, the fractions will be written as, for these 3 parts, the fraction will be 3 upon 8. For this part, the fraction will be 1 upon 8. And for these 2 parts, the fraction will be 2 upon 8. Here we get 3 fractions. Now we will add these 3 fractions by keeping the denominator same. So the equation will be 3 plus 1 plus 2 upon 8. Now the value which will be obtained is 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 upon 8 is the obtained value, and looking at the numerator and the strip, we see that there are total 6 parts colored from 8 parts. Now we have to keep it in mind that when we add like fractions, we add only the numerators and we keep the denominator as it is, like we did over here. We kept the denominator as it is and added the numerators. In this example also, we kept the denominator as it is and we added the numerators. Now, we'll take another example. The fractions will be 4 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. Here, what we'll do is, since the denominators are same, we'll keep them as 1. So, 4 plus 2 upon 6, and to get the value and add, the obtained value will be 6. Now here what happens is, we know that 6 upon 6 means all 6 parts of this 6 parts, that is the whole figure. Therefore, it can be written as 6 upon 6 equals to 1. Here we have to keep it in mind that if the numerator and denominator of the fraction are equal, the fraction is equal to 1. I repeat, if the numerator and the denominator of the fraction are equal, then the fraction is equal to 1. More example for this statement will be 7 upon 7 equals to 1, 5 upon 5 equals to 1, or 10 upon 10 equals to 1. This is about addition of fractions. Moving forward, we'll start with subtraction of like fractions. In subtraction 2, we will keep the denominator as it is, like the addition part. So, we'll start with an example. We take a strip with 5 equal parts. We take a strip with 5 equal parts which has 4 parts colored. So, the equation will be 4 upon 5. Now suppose we remove one colored part from these 4 parts. What we do is, we subtract this one part from the 4 parts. This one part will be 1 upon 5. So, the subtraction will be done as 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Keeping the denominator as same, the equation will be 4 minus 1 upon 5. So, the required or obtained fraction will be 3 upon 5. We'll take another example. Suppose the given fractions are 7 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9. What we do here is, we subtract only the numerators and keep the denominators as it is. That is 7 minus 2 upon 9. The answer will be 5 upon 9. This is how we add and subtract like fractions. Thank you.